Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, all my grandmas. So you guys know that my grandson, gonna be back and forth in here. He's not at school. We kept him out for a minute because he have bad allergies. So this allergy thing is really something else. So he been here with me. So if you're just visiting or want to join the GLAMMA family, GLAMMA world, please hit that subscribe button. After the video, if you like it, hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that bell to notify you when I upload videos. So yeah, my eyebrows done. I primed my eyelids with the NYX. I did color correct with the Clinique. And yeah, let's just go up into this eyeshadow palette. This is a very stunning eyeshadow palette. This is from Stella. The words, well, the name of the eyeshadows are on the back. And, you know, it's pretty. It's pretty. So I did set my eyes already with this palette by using its Sunset Sephora. So let's go into this palette. Let's see. Let's go into, oh, I'm doing this right. Velvet Rope. And I believe it's this color. So it's not too far from the color I set with. And I'm putting this all over my lid. Now I'm going to take my Jeffree Star brush. I love this brush. I don't reach for any other brush but this brush, the crease brush. And I'm going to this chocolate color here. And I believe this color is All Nighter. I'm going to keep building that crease up to the color that I want. So I decided to go into my new palette from Huda. And what I'm going to go into is Tickle. And I'm going to put that on my lid. And then I'm going to this purple color, and this is Love Bite. I'm going to put that in my crease. Right in the corner. And I'm just focusing right now on my crease, but the end of my crease. So now I'm going to Cash Out. And that's this color right here. I'm going to take my Jeffree Star packing brush. And I'm going to take the same packing brush, go back into that color, All Nighter, and put that corner of my eyes. I'm going to go back in there, Huda, and I'm going to mix Love Bite and Spank. Love Bite and Spank. And Love Bite I already have in my crease. So I'm going to hit the Love Bite, and then I'm going to hit the Spank. Now to blend everything out, I'm going to tease right here. So now I'm going to lace and put that on top of this glitter. Using my fingers. So now I'm going to put that same Sunset underneath my brow bone. So now I'm going to take my milk, and oh, just to let you guys know, I did use this. It's like a, I guess it's a brightener serum, and it's hydrated. It's not too oily for you oily girls. So It's supposed to smell like watermelon. I didn't smell that in it, but yeah, I used this earlier. So now I'm gonna take this Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime with. I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown. This is the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It has an SPF of 15. It's a full coverage or free shine control. That's how it looks. A little pump and a half. It's kind of thick. I'm gonna take my Morphe, that's the 444 brush, and apply it. I'm going to conceal with this No Filter Concealer. This is on ColourPop. It's in dark 40. That's how this look. Hopefully it's light enough. I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup and set where I highlighted it. Now, while that's baking and cooking, let's go back into the Stila All Nighter, which is just chocolate again right here. I'm gonna put that at the bottom of my lash line. Into this new palette from Huda, and I'm going to put Spank over that All Nighter. I'm gonna take this Stila. It's a micro tip, stay all day waterproof eyeliner, and this intense black. Let's put some mascara on the box. Do that for my top and bottom lashes. I'm gonna take the same It brush and dust this powder off. So I'm gonna take this other Marc Jacobs. This is a compass. And this color is in Deep 53. Jeffree Star concealing brush and blend it out. Take my Sacha Buttercup and sharpen up contour. For blush, I'm going to this Ambient. This is from Hourglass, and the color is Brilliant Nude. This is how it looks. I'm gonna take my Tarte blush just to add a little more color because the Ambient was more of a highlight blush. And this is how it looks. Now, to set my bronzer, I'm gonna take my Lancome. This is the Star Bronzer Natural Glow. This might be a glowing too then. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna set where I bronzed that. And of course, I'm using my Rebellion brush from Real Technique. Contour my nose with my Morphe 441. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in this Bobbi Brown highlighter. And this is Moon Glow. Get it out the box. This is how it looks. Ooh, wow. That's pretty. So, let me find my Milani brush. Granddaddy here. So I'm taking my Milani brush and I'm gonna put that highlighter on from Bobbi Brown. Also going to put it in my tear duct. So now for lips. I'm going with this Lancome, and this is the lip liner. Lee lip liner, and this color is in Raisinberry 191. That's how it looks. And it has the lipstick right here. Well, this is how it looks. It has the product on one end and the applicator on another. I'm gonna take my Rihanna. This is unbuttoned. This is her stunning lip paint. Let me dust this powder off first. So you guys, this is the finished face, and I'll be right back to show you the whole giddy up. Bang! So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making the video, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel. It's very important. And also, just a minute. Excuse me. And also, hit that bell to remind you when I upload videos so you can watch me. So, until then, no grandma, glamour.